Hello, you're watching the Scooter blog channel, and today I'm going to unbox this Wavlink USB 3.0 dual bay docking station. It has two SATA interfaces, so you can connect up to two drives. They can be HDD, hard disk drives, or SSD, solid state drives. Both 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch drives are compatible. It is completely plug and play. You can just connect it to a Windows machine and the drives will be recognized instantly. And it also works with Macs. It also supports standalone cloning, which means you can connect two drives and copy all the contents of the source drive to the destination drive. The only requirement is that the destination drive has to be at least the same size of the source drive or larger. In the package we have the docking station, the USB cable 1 meter, and the power adapter, which is a 12 volts and 3 amperes power adapter. There is also a user manual which has 3 languages: English, Japanese, and German. The button on the front uses to activate the cloning function, and on behind we have an on-off switch, the power source input, and the USB cable input. On the bottom we have the model number and the serial number. The model number is WLSE334UBL. This product full review will be available on Skooter blog. You can find the link on the description of the video, and if you wanna buy this product, you can also find a link on the description to buy it. Here we have the manual in English, Japanese, and German. And here we have the USB cable. It has the USB 3.0 standard, so the USB interface won't be a bottleneck in most situations. And here is the power source. My choice was for the European plug because it's compatible with the outlets used here in Brazil, but you can also choose the North American plug or the UK plug. Here we have some specification. It works anywhere in the world, anything from 100 to 240 volts, both 50 and 60 hertz. So that's it, it's unboxed and ready to be set up. And now a closer look on the Wavlink docking station and all its accessories. And here you can see the Wavlink docking station working with one hard drive, one 3.5 hard disk drive, and the power LED is on, and also the source LED because I put this hard drive on the source bay. And here we have two drives, one 3.5 and one 2.5. So remember that the full review will be available at Skooter blog, the link is on the description, and you can also buy this product on AliExpress. Just check the link on the description. Thank you for watching.